and we are back on the WHHI-TV Daily News. With me now is Jessa Jeremiah, and she is, of course, here to tell us what's going on this weekend.
So much fun things, family-friendly, great stuff going on this weekend.
Always a lot going on, especially in the summer.
That is the truth.
Although, really kind of any time of the year, we can find something fun to do around here.
That has been true lately, for sure.
Yeah. We're going to start with Beers on the Bluff, which is the latest installment of the Bluffton Sunset Parties.
Yes, and Allie always teases me that I always have something beer-related, so she's not here today, but Allie, this is for you if you're watching.
Honor, we've got beers.
Beers on the Bluff is something that's going on. It's called Bluffton Sunset Party number 3, and this party is called Beers on the Bluff. So it's a really fun one where you can go out and really enjoy some music and the scenery, of course. It's so beautiful over at the Bluffton Oyster Factory Park.
Yes.
And it's a great scenic place to just hang out and have a good time. There's 60 different beers.
Wow.
So this is not just beer on the Bluff. This is a lot of beer.
Lots of beers on the Bluff.
That's right. And ciders and all different things. People love the chiggers, and there's the chiggers will be playing as well as cornbread. So some funny band names, but great music.
But great music for sure.
Yeah.
And also in Bluffton is the family movie night.
That's right. So both of these are Friday events, in case I didn't say that. Friday nights in Bluffton all summer long is family movie night, and I believe this is the 3rd week now that we've covered movie night. And they pick these great family-friendly movies. You go out on the lawn, you hang out, and it's at Oscar Fraser Park, which is a great place to just, bring a blanket or a few chairs, bring a snack, and watch a movie with your family.
Right.
So each week they have something different. You can go on the Town of Bluffton's website and find out what movies are which Friday, but that's at 5 p.m. each Friday of the summer.
Perfect. Perfect time for families, too.
It is. Yeah. It sure is.
So we have a couple markets that we're going to talk about, and one of them is actually the last one of the season, and that's the Islands Farmers Market.
Yeah.
And they're wrapping it up for the season already.
Wrapping it up, I know. So I guess this is kind of their spring market that they do. Island Farmers and Community Market takes place on Saturdays at 9 o'clock, 3 hours of shopping, 9 to 12. And this, of course, is put on by the market itself, the community market itself. So there's all these great things that this is doing to help sort of fuel local economy and local farmers. It actually goes, some of the proceeds go back to Renegade Paws Rescue, which is great. But there's just lots happening at this one since it's the last one. There's lots of extra food, craft vendors, and then you won't get to see this one again until fall. So a great time to go check it out. So again, that one's on the island. Now, of course, it's called Island Farm Market. But the first one of this season, now sort of kicking off summer, is at Tanger Outlet.
Yes.
So over the bridge. They're doing what's called a Splash into Summer vendor market. So obviously they've got lots of shops and places to get great deals all the time. But right now what they're doing is they're bringing in some vendors so you can shop local. They're doing giveaways. There's a raffle drawing. There's face painting. My kids love getting their face painted, so we'll probably be there.
Yep.
And you can just go kind of enjoy what Tanger Outlets has to offer too. But a great way to kick off summer shopping.
Yeah, and that's Saturday.
That one's on Saturday, June 10th, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you have all day to go enjoy that one.
And we want to get the last two in here quickly, but we've got Paddle and Pose, which sounds like so much fun.
Yes, we're sending Maria. She's in the back with the cameras. But Maria did this one last year, and she said it was great. So this was put on by Move Fitness and Yoga, where you go, you stand, paddle, and you literally do yoga on a paddleboard.
Right.
How fun is that?
Sounds great, except for I think I'd end up in the water.
Well, that's okay. You can downward dog in the water. That's at Bluffton Oyster Factory Park, Saturday at 7 a.m. And then we're squeeze this one in really quickly. The Beaufort Water Festival Sailing Regatta is happening. You told me, Betsy, it's the 56th year. You got to register for this one, so make sure you check out the website on our screen. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday, this Saturday, 11 to 5. If you're not into the race and you don't want to actually register, you can just go watch. You can sit at the Yacht Club and watch the races.
Yeah, and hope for beautiful weather for all of those events we just talked about.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thanks, Jessa.
You bet.
Thanks to everyone on the show today for their insights and contributions. As always, our production team is behind the scenes to make all of this possible. And of course, we are honored that you have chosen to share part of your day with us. I'm Betsy McDaniel, and we'll see you for the next WHHI-TV Daily News.